I'm Dave, and on this episode of TRP Tech Talk, I'm going to show you how to remove glazing from your pads. Here's the tools that you're going to need. Medium grit sandpaper or drywall sandpaper, shop towels, isopropyl alcohol. If you're experiencing vibrations under braking or noise under braking, inconsistent braking power, or a lack of bite, this could be caused by a glazed pad, which is when the surface of the pad gets heated enough to melt, cools, hardens, and becomes smooth and glossy. This can happen for a variety of reasons, but don't worry, we can fix it. For a detailed description of why this happens, check out the link below, everything you need to know about pads and rotors. Now let's get these cleaned up. Before we get started, please note not to touch the surface of the pads with your hands or anything oily to avoid contamination. So you can see I've got a pad here that's got some slight glazing. It still has plenty of pad material left on it, so this was probably the cause of the lack of performance. So using a paper towel, putting that on the ground, that's going to catch any of the sanding pad material that we're sanding off, and we like to use a drywall cloth because it is perforated, so you're not continuously sanding over deposited material. You can use a figure 8 motion, putting the pad flat on the drywall material. Try to get an even sand, even pressure. I'm pushing fairly hard to make sure that I get enough of this pad material off. And after a few passes, go ahead and give it a check. You can see I'm just starting to remove some of that glazing, so that's pretty good. Go ahead and continue. Again, giving even pressure, making sure not to get the edges too much. And having enough pad material, you can see that shininess in the middle is just about gone. I'll give it just a couple more passes, but this pad is starting really to come back to life. You can see a nice flat, same even color across the entire surface of the pad, and that glazing is gone. Now, once you've done that, you can see how much of that pad material we've kind of taken off. But before reinstalling that pad, make sure to use your isopropyl alcohol on a clean rag and clean your rotor really well. After that, do the proper bed-in, and you're good to go. Once your pads are reinstalled, make sure to bed them back into that rotor properly to match up those surfaces. If you're not sure how to do this, check the same link below for our recommended bed-in procedure. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, click that like button. If there's any questions, comment below or hit up our customer service team. And for more content like this, be sure to subscribe and check out our website. Thanks, and I hope to catch you around here next time.